to the podcast for When the Curves Line Up for August 12, 2023. Please see the article that includes diagrams of today's events on the website. Text by Jeffrey L. Hunt. In Chicago, sunrise occurs at 5:56 a.m. Central Daylight Time, followed by sunset at 7:55 p.m. Sirius makes its first appearance this morning at Chicago's latitude based on Jean-Meese's equations. The star is low in the east-southeast about 40 minutes before sunrise. While today is the theoretical first appearance, the star may be hidden on the horizon by clouds, trees, or other terrestrial obstructions. A view across Lake Michigan, especially from a high-rise building, provides an ideal natural horizon. First attempt to locate Sirius with a binocular and find it without the optical help. The Perseid meteor shower peaks before twilight begins tomorrow morning. The shower's origin is the dust and debris from Comet 109P Swift-Tuttle. The sun's light vaporizes the comet's ices, releasing dust particles that are widely distributed along the orbital path. Each year, Earth passes through the debris, the dust enters the atmosphere, and vaporizes around 50 miles above the ground. The predicted maximum visible rate before sunrise on the morning of the 13th is 90 meteors per hour. What is seen depends on the sky darkness and how much of the sky is visible to any single meteor watcher. Urban and suburban sky watchers may see approximately 10 meteors each hour, while those in the countryside might see 20 to 30 per hour. The shower's center or radiant is in Perseus. It rises high in the sky from Earth's rotation after midnight when we view the meteor shower head-on. To maximize the meteor count, recruit 4 other friends for a Saturday night through Sunday morning meteor watch. One watcher looks overhead, where more meteors appear. The others look toward each cardinal direction, because the meteors can be seen anywhere in the sky. Here is today's planet forecast. In the morning sky. An hour before sunrise, a thin crescent moon, 14% illuminated, is over 30 degrees above the east-northeast horizon. It is near Castor's foot, 5.7 degrees to the left of Propus, the toe, and 5.1 degrees to the upper left of Tegat posterior, the heel. The moon is showing a beautiful display of earth shine between the lunar cusps or horns. The effect is from sunlight reflecting from Earth's oceans, clouds, and land. It gently illuminates the lunar night. The moon appears in the same binocular field of view with the star cluster Messier 35, M35 on the chart that is in the article. The cluster has over 100 stars, shining from a distance of 2,800 light-years. From the countryside, it can be seen without optical assistance as a blurry patch of light. At this hour, bright Jupiter is high in the southeast, 13.2 degrees to the lower left of Hamel, Aries' brightest star, and 11.3 degrees to the upper left of Menkar, in Cetus. The Pleiades star cluster is to the left. Jupiter is slowly moving eastward against Aries. It is 8.3 degrees to the west of Uranus. The Jovian giant begins to retrograde on September 4th, short of the 2 planets fitting into the same binocular field of view. At this hour Saturn is low in the southwest. While not as bright as Jupiter, it is brighter than most stars in the sky this morning. The planet is retrograding in front of Aquarius, 7.6 degrees to the right of Skate and 7.1 degrees to the lower right of Lambda Aquarii, Lambda Acra on the chart in the article. Use a binocular to see the dim stars, especially from urban and suburban areas. In the evening sky. Tomorrow Venus passes between Earth and the Sun, known as inferior conjunction. The brilliant planet then jumps into the morning sky, rising nearly 2 hours before the Sun at month's end. Mercury is retreating back into sunlight and fading in brightness. It sets only 54 minutes after sundown. Mars is washed out by evening twilight. This evening it is the dimmest of the 5 bright planets. If it were visible it would rank about 35th on a stellar brightness list. Nearing its opposition, Saturn rises in the east-southeast, less than 40 minutes after sundown. At opposition, when Earth is between the ringed wonder and the Sun, Saturn rises at sunset. It rises about 3 minutes earlier each evening. By 2 hours after sunset, Saturn is nearly 15 degrees above the east-southeast horizon. Find it in the south 4 hours later, and in the southwest tomorrow morning. Jupiter rises in the east, less than 3 hours after Saturn. Thank you for listening. Please read the articles at whenthecurveslineup.com.